Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. Some of you have dubbed me the queen of giveaways. I have giveaways going on all the time. For the month of February, I do an eyeshadow palette every month. For the month of February, it is the Saharan by Juvia's. I'll put a link in the description box down below. It'll take you to the video, talks about how to enter that one. I also have a Jeffree Star giveaway going on, an ESW Beauty giveaway going on, a Lip Monthly giveaway going on. I got all sorts of stuff, and I've got all sorts of stuff up my sleeve for coming up. I've got some milestone giveaways that I've got already stuff set aside for, so help us get there. We are a good group. You guys, I gotta get this thing monetized. I gotta get my watch time minutes up and my viewer count and subscribers up, so help us get there. Because I love giving back to you guys, and the only way I can do that is if we get monetized. So anyway, this is the iPsy Glam Bag. Ships out every month. So it's $12 a month. I will sometimes throw in full size. Most of the time it's deluxe sizes. So if you love trying out new things, finding out if it's going to work for you, then this would be a good option for you. I did skip the iPsy Plus this month because there was nothing in it that really, I guess, caught my eye. There was an add-on that I could do for $12 that I picked up, and I will show that to you guys now. So I've heard a lot of really good things about Dominique Cosmetics. I was able to pick this up, I think, for $12. So it's this really pretty palette. It's got a mirror on this side, and then here are your shades. I do wish that it had a shimmer in it. So I don't want to swatch this or anything because I think I'm going to save this for one of those big upcoming giveaways that I have going on. I've started setting stuff aside for you guys. So it comes in this cute little kind of velvet pouch. It does say a little zipper, says iPsy here. And then it's kind of this maroon color here with the iPsy logo here. So it says treat yourself, has a little card that comes with it. It says treat yourself, your 5 picked for you Glam Bag products valued at over $50 plus are here to make you swoon. Prepare to crush hard. So the first product in here is from Raine. This is a deluxe sample. The value of the full-size version, which is 4 grams, is $17. This one is 3.5 grams, so it's pretty close. It's their Raine Cosmetics liquid lipstick in 24/7 for a lip color that you can wear from work to weekend. They won't dry your lips out in the cold. So I found out with most liquid lipsticks, they dry my lips out. This is a creamy liquid formula is for you. This pink liquid lipstick doesn't budge, seriously, and it dries to a gorgeous matte finish that it's a 0% drying. Plus, one swipe gives you intense color payoff. Tip for smooth color, prep your lips with a scrub. Sugar and honey work just fine too, and a lip balm. I wish it wasn't matte, or else I would probably use this. Here's what this color looks like. I don't want to open this because I am going to be putting this one in one of those future big giveaways. Next from Kazu Beauty is a 24 karat gold glow sheet mask. This is a deluxe sample. Full size is $12. $12.50. And if you got 20 minutes to spare, that's all you need to give your skin some extra TLC with this glowing sheet mask. It'll transform your skin from dull and tired to bright and dewy with a 24 karat gold, plus a dose of hyaluronic acid. Draws in moisture for a smooth and hydrated complexion. Tip: waste not. Massage any leftover serum onto your neck and chest for an all-over glow. I do a masking review series here on this channel where I try on different masks, let you know what I think of them, so be on the lookout for this one in an upcoming masking review series. From K-Voss NYC Fairy Dust Pressed Highlight in Moonlighter. Baby, it's cold outside, but that doesn't let you dull your glow. Say hello to the silkiest highlighter ever. This powder blends into skin like butter, while light reflecting pearly pink pigments that make your cheekbones and high points of your face pop. Oh, and I'll never make you cake or crease either, promise. Tip: for a sheer glow, apply with fingers for a shimmery metallic look. Use a damp makeup sponge. Full size of this does retail for $28. And here's got a little bit of a pink tone to it. Mirror on this side. Pretty. From Saem is a perfumed hand essence in Magnolia. When it's cold out, your hands can be the first signs of moisture loss. Always keep a lotion like this. Water-light formula with fresh, non-tacky, fast-absorbing formula is infused with macadamia seed, olive, and argan oil to keep your hands nourished and moisturized throughout the day. Tip: don't forget to reapply whenever you wash your hands. Some hand soaps can be super drying. A full size of this retails for $3.99. It smells really, really good. I like this one. From the Balm is the Petal to the Metal in Shift and Overdrive and Turbo. We're always excited when a product from the Balm comes across our desks, and the shimmery cream shadow has quickly become one of our go-to. This rose gold with silver flecks blends like a dream and is totally unique shade that's versatile enough for day or glam up your looks for night to use. Tip: use your fingers to sweep cream eyeshadow onto your lids, then blend it out with your fingers. This is a deluxe sample. The value of the full-size version of this product is $29.50. And here is what this one looks like. I'm not big on single shadows, so I'll probably throw this one in giveaways too as well. So I've got stuff for upcoming giveaways for you. I've got stuff for me. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Are you still getting iPsy? What's kind of going on with you guys? Let me know all that in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do hit that subscribe button twice. It'll turn on the notifications for you so you know when our next video will be posted. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple more videos for you guys if you would like to check them out. I hope that you guys have a fabulous rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye.